10 steps to applying for a Carbon Trust Green Business Fund capital contribution.
So step one, first of all, it's worth familiarising yourself with exactly what's available. So the best place to go is the Carbon Trust Green Business Fund webpage, the link for which is provided at the top of the screen. There are 30% capital contributions available to small and medium-sized businesses in England, Scotland and Wales who are investing in energy-saving equipment, and there's up to £10,000 available to any one business. We've got a few stipulations that it's worth being aware of. So firstly, projects should pay back within 5 years, and projects should be delivered by Carbon Trust accredited suppliers. Evidence is required prior to the transfer of funds, and it's worth pointing out that we can't retrospectively fund projects. If you need any support in specifying a solution, shortlisting suppliers, or indeed gathering or reviewing proposals for work, then the Carbon Trust Green Business Fund can offer funded support to help you do that. It's worth also familiarising yourself with the eligibility criteria that we have, which are based mostly around geography and the exact company makeup of applicant businesses. Step two, we've got loads of guidance and frequently asked questions on our website. So this is a great place to start to familiarise yourself with the scheme and the application process and exactly what's required. Step three, gather supplier quotations, and you've got two options here. Option one, you can use our Green Business Directory of accredited suppliers to shortlist suppliers for yourself. Option two, you can have us help you do it. So you can apply for Carbon Trust Green Business Fund implementation advice, which is a thorough tender process which will help you gather suppliers to provide quotations. If there are no accredited suppliers for the technology that you're looking for, then we can consider proposals and quotations from local contractors or non-accredited suppliers. Step four, let's start gathering the information that you'll need for your application form. And this roughly breaks down into us needing information on your organisation, on the project that you're looking to undertake and the total cost of that work, the accredited supplier that's going to deliver the work, and the energy savings that will result, as well as the cost of the work, any existing capital contributions that you might be in receipt of, the bank details of your business, which we'll obviously need to transfer the money, and there may also be some additional documents that we need, just depending on your exact business. Step five, now it's time to complete an online application form, which is available via the Carbon Trust website. There are 8 sections to the form, which roughly correspond with the information gathering that I just ran through. So bits about your company, what you do, what your project is, and who your supplier is, for example. Step 6. There are also supporting documents that we'll need attaching to your online application form. The first of these is the supplier quotation, which your supplier will obviously provide as part of the proposal process. There is some guidance on our website for suppliers on exactly what we need to see included in their quotes, and the accredited supplier should be familiar with this. However, it's always worth double-checking quotes and that they contain all the information that we need prior to submitting it as evidence to avoid any delays. The second supporting documentation is proof of your ID, so just checking that you are who you say you are. This could be something like a bank statement. Number 3, we'll need a complete energy saving assessment template, which is a spreadsheet, and your supplier again could help you complete this. This is just to give us an overview of the work that you're carrying out. Finally, depending on the type of business that you are, a limited or an unincorporated business, then we might need an additional beneficial owner's declaration form to be completed. Just as an aside, limited companies are easy to pick out because they often have Inc. or Limited in their name. Step 7. We now review your application form and your supporting documentation. So we're checking this for eligibility, for completeness, and we also have one of our consultants conduct a technical review of the proposal that's been put forward, which should hopefully provide you with some reassurance. We look to respond to complete applications within a maximum of 10 working days. Step 8. We'll issue terms and conditions for you to sign and formalise the financial agreement. Step 9. Once you've signed those terms and conditions, you can then go away, contract your supplier, and install the work. But it's important to only do these things once you've got signed terms and conditions and a solid offer in place. You've roughly got 3 months from the point of signing your terms and conditions to when we would expect you to come back to us having done the work and to claim your capital contribution. If you need to extend this period, then please just let us know. Step 10. Now you've got your work finished, it's time to actually claim your capital contribution. And again, we just need a few bits of evidence before we can transfer the funds. So number 1, we need a supplier invoice, which again will obviously be provided by your supplier. Again, there's guidance on our website of exact information that we need to see on supplier invoices, and again, it's worth you double checking that this is all in place before you submit it. Step 2, we want to see a commissioning certificate, and this is the exact same. It's something that will be provided by your supplier for you to sign, and which we've got guidance online to show exactly what we need to see on the actual document itself. Again, worth double checking that everything's there. Finally, we want to see a photograph of your new equipment installed and in place. So what are the points to take away? Applications must not be retrospective, so you must be in receipt of a formal offer and signed terms and conditions before you contract and install the work. Applications must be completed and submitted by the end customer, not the supplier. Incomplete submissions will be bounced back and sort of returned to you, so it's worth double checking all the information that you input before you click submit. There's always help and support available, so if you've got any questions or problems with the application process at all, please feel free to contact us. And there's some contact details down at the bottom of the screen for exactly how to do that.